This video will demonstrate how we sync together the RGB 12V LED tape to the RF receiver and the remote control. These are the four main components for RGB tape. Component number one is your uni driver, which is connected via a male and female plug to the LED controller. This is the RGB remote control, and lastly the RGB LED tape. Now we will show you how to synchronize the LED controller to the LED remote control. When installing the RGB in one area, please ensure that both pins are covered by the black jack here. This component is your learning key. This will then synchronize from the LED controller to the RGB remote control. Now we'll show you how to synchronize the LED controller to the RGB LED remote control. Firstly, turn on the remote, press the learning key for 1 second, press the zone, and then touch the color wheel. And you can select whichever color you wish from there. On the RGB remote control, if you wish to select any of the three white colors, simply press the W plus and that will select the whites. This one is warm white, natural white, and daylight. On the RGB remote control, there are 10 preset channel colors within the remote control. By pressing this button here, you can go through the color variations. This also, when held down, can make the colors change faster or slower, whichever you require. As you can see, it's going through the red, green and blues, and then staying on a static color. And by setting a scene, if you choose the color or the sequence you require and press the S1, choose another scene, press scene 2, and if you wish to set scene 3, and then they're your three chosen colors. So then you can go back to scene 1. There's that one. Scene 2, which was the red, and scene 3. For more information, visit our website.